And we're just about to kick off the New Year's. What's up and happy 2020, you guys. It's a new year. Woo! And this is the first video I have for the year of 2020, and I'm just so excited to just be here with you all. I hope you all are safe. I'm so happy that we got through 2020 and it's now 2021, and I'm just super excited for what this year has planned for us, how much we've grown, how much we're going to grow this year. I'm just super excited. I'm super thankful to have you all with me. Thank you all so much. In the comment sections, comment your Instagram below so I can shoot you all some cool DMs. So make sure you all comment that, please, so I can shoot you all and let you all know how much I support you. And also in the comment section with your name. Tell me something that you're excited the most about for 2021. I know I'm just excited for some growth. I'm excited to just grow and learn and just continue to just grow and learn. That's pretty much it. I have a huge announcement to say, and I'm not going to wait to the end. I'm just going to say it right now. I just published my first book, and I'm super excited. You all know, if you've been following me for a while, I go to Hampton. I'm a sophomore, and I am a journalism minor, and I'm a psychology major, and I love self-love and everything like that. You all can follow my motivational blog at Deja's Daily Dose. Is in the description box below, and you all will be able to purchase my book. I'm leaving it linked in the description box below. It is called Every Sparkle Needs Some Shine, and it's just mostly about like how you may be beautiful on the outside and you might have like the looks, but it's really what's inside of you that makes you shine. So it's a children's book. I hope you all support it. It's linked in the description box below, and you all can order it off of Amazon. So enough talking. You all clicked on the title of this video. You know what we're about to do. New Year's celebration. Y'all know I'm not 21, so I'm not about to get on here and drink. So I got my little sparkling cider, and we're just about to kick off the New Year's. All right, so you all are here to see the pieces that I've been collecting from the thrift, and y'all, they are bangers. Let me tell you, I went to 3 different thrift stores in the capacity of about a week. It was 2 days. I have some vlog footage coming up for you all. I'm doing weekly vlogs, so let me know if you all are excited for that. I'm super excited for that. I think it's going to be super fun, so you all can get to see more of my life outside of these type of videos. But anyways, I have a weekly vlog coming up, but I've been going to the thrift a lot lately. I love thrifting now. It's finding cool pieces, and I like to go in there with like an open mind, open everything, open energy and all of that, so I can get pieces that I'm really interested in. So the first thing we're going to start off with is this top that I got out of the men's section, and it's like a velvety material. You all are going to see close-ups of it, but it's this really pretty, I would call this like a teal, like an aquamarine blue, inspired my eyeshadow today. So I love this teal color. I love the material of it. The way that I have it on today, I have it on like with some ripped jeans, and it's like little gold accessories. Super fun, super cute. Love the color. I thought it looked really pretty on my skin tone, and I got this out of the men's section, and I'm super excited with this thrift find. Let me know in the comment section what's your favorite thrift find that I have. Yeah, let's just really chat it up in the comment section. From that same thrift store that I found this one in, I was in Virginia. So I was in Alexandria, Virginia, to be more specific. I live in the DMV area, so we drove out to the Alexandria 2 thrift stores out there. So this came from that thrift store, as well as this jumpsuit that you all are going to see on the side. I tried this on, and I was a little skeptical when I seen it at first, but I was definitely open. It looks like a old workers uniform. In Virginia, there are a lot of like naval bases and stuff, so they always have like little sections with like military things and everything like that. So I don't know if this was an old Navy's worker uniform or just like an old mechanic's uniform, but I like it. It is just this navy blue jumpsuit. It's definitely a worker suit, and as you all see right here, it looks like it was a name tag or something on it, but like these are little strings that you could just pull off and it's all good. Like, see, some of them are just coming off like that, so I didn't mind that at all. I'd rather have this than somebody's name patched on it, because I always see jumpsuits like this, but they always have somebody's name on it. And for some reason at this thrift, it looked like they took like all of the personalized things. Some of the jackets still had like their people's names on it and everything, but all of these type of jumpsuits, they had a lot of them in there, and I didn't need all of them. I just needed one. So this was super cool, and I think I got this for about like $7 because this top and this jumpsuit came up to a total of $10 at this thrift store. So I was like, what a find, what a steal. You got a whole outfit right here. You style this right, it's going to be a hit. Make sure you all follow me on my Instagram. It is in the description box, but I'll also have it right here on the screen. It's Dejaaaaaad, and it's 7 A's. So yes, definitely check that out because I have some ideas on how I want to style this, but I want you all to just follow me on there so you all can be on the lookout for when I do drop it. So this is the next piece that I have. So coming back, before we go to the last thrift that I went to, coming back on the Maryland side, coming back onto the Maryland side, I did go to the thrift with my sisters, and I found these two pieces. One of them I already have a photo up on my Instagram. I'll insert the photo on the side, but you also will see me trying on this piece. And it's this brown, like a khaki color sweater vest, and it's super, super cute. I got this out of the men's section. It is extra large, so it's a little bit big, but I do like it. And I do plan on styling this again because I do like the color. I like the neutral color, and I like that it's like a vest. I love this like cable knit sweater print. It's super, super fun. Yeah, it's just a really cool, fun fall piece. I want to say this was about $5. It probably was about $8 maximum. So it's super, super cute. One thing about the ones in Virginia, I could tell the stuff was a little bit cheaper, but you know, it's cheaper in Virginia than in Maryland anyways, especially the part of Maryland that I'm in. I'm in PG County, so it's definitely cheaper in Virginia. So yeah, I like this. There's nothing more to say about it. This is just my thrift find. And then going back from that same thrift store, I found this super cute 3-piece set. Well, it's a 2-piece, but it has a belt, so 3-piece. And it was brand new, I believe, because, well, no, it was not brand new. It was 2 of these inside of the thrift. So one was this color, and the other one was the color of this top. And Ayana showed me the one that was the color of the top, but I was like, ooh, I could wear the dark blue one. Now it's more fall time, and I really wish I would have got both of them, but I didn't. But I did not. So if I go back and it's still there, then God wants me to have it. But I only picked up the dark blue one, and I have a photo on my Instagram of this too, and I really like this set. It's really nice. I'm definitely excited to wear this like once outside open back up and I'm back on campus, and we always have like business casual and everything like this. So this is a super cute, like a slack set, but it's not boring. So this is definitely a piece that I'm excited to wear when it's time to go back on campus and we have those business casuals, or when I need anything like a little bit more dressier, or you're going somewhere a little bit more dressier. You could dress this like up like for brunch and stuff, or you could also dress it up like professional. So I do like that, and you can wear the pieces separate. So if I want to wear this top with some jeans, if I want to take this belt and wear it with something, and if I want to wear these pants with something, then I could do all of that. I do like this a lot, and I really would like it with some orange. I think orange will make it really, really pop. So I might style that again differently. We're gonna see. I'm kind of out of breath. So going back to Virginia at a different thrift store. This one is from the Goodwill. The last two ones was just like some local thrifts. It was like Value Villages, and like one that just said thrift store, like literally. But Goodwill was the last one that we went to, and I found some dope pieces that I'm super excited about in here. So we're going to start off with 2 hats, and yes, I washed everything that's already in this video, so guys, please, I'm not going to be able to try the hats on because your girl got some braids in, but these are the 2 hats that I have. One is this like fatigue print, and it says Lake. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm not going to try, but it's like a long O word. So it's this lake word right here, and it's like this fatigue color, and I like this a lot. I also like the pop of red that's in it. I think that's super, super cool. And it is like one of those Velcro materials, so you can adjust it, but it does get snatched on your head sometimes, you know, with that Velcro material, but you know, wigs it is. So yeah, this is the first hat that I got. And the second hat that I got is this really, really bright red. I love the colors in this hat. That's why it drove me to it. I thought it was super fun. It says 2015 Toyota Grand Prius of Long Beach. It does have somebody's like, I don't know if these are initials or what, but it does have something in the back. I don't know if it's initials because it say Kai and L HC VT, but I don't know, I don't care. I like this part of the hat, and I think that's super cool, super fun. So I'm excited to pair these because, you know, I'm really starting to get into some hats and accessories and everything like that. And I do think these are like fun little additions. And they were $2 a piece. So I was like, colors bomb, fatigue, the bright red, the bright colors and everything. I was like, these are cool to have in my closet for, you know, some fashion pieces when I want to step out, get into my streetwear stuff. And on a regular day, I like to wear like some cargos and a hat and a hoodie. That's my regular day. Like, oh, we're going somewhere. That's what I wear on a regular day. This is when I'm feeling it, you know? This is when I'm feeling it. So the next piece my friend actually seen, but she wasn't interested in it, so I definitely had to cop it. Y'all know that Sean John is coming back. They just did a big collaboration with Misguided, and I found this original Sean John jacket with the Sean John logo. It's in a size large in the men's section, and it's just this black like velour print. Well, is this velour? I don't know. Suede. This is suede, and it has Sean John on the sleeves, and it's like a winter coat, and I really like it. It has Sean John here, the tag, and right here, and I definitely like this a lot. And I got this for probably like $7. It is suede, so like it picks up a lot of lint and everything, but I'm not mad at it, especially since, you know, that whole vibe of clothing is coming back. So I was impressed when I seen this, and I just had to cop it because even if I wanted to resell it, I could do a really good job with that. So yeah, I like this a lot. And the last thing that I got from the thrift is one of my favorite finds. I've been looking for something like this for a minute now. I really wanted it in a jacket, and I haven't found the right one yet. All of those jackets really have like big naming on it and everything, so no. But I did find some motorcycle pants, and these are dope. They're a little big on my waist, but they're not like crazy big. They're actually really big. They're actually really big, but I just couldn't let them go, y'all. I couldn't. So these are some motorcycle pants. They have like all of the detailing, all of the pockets, everything, like all these pockets, all of this like adjustable stuff. It's so like, y'all, I couldn't leave these there. It's too good to be true. And it's like real motorcycle pants, like, y'all, you thought I was gonna leave those there? And they're black and white, so they could go with so much stuff. They're oversized. It's just, I could not leave them there. They're heavy. They're real close, so I had to put them down. But those are so fly. I was like, I gotta take them with me. Even if they're a little too big, I gotta take them with me. They're coming home. They're coming home regardless, okay? They're coming home regardless. So I was like, I'm taking these. I don't care. Maybe a little too big. I don't care. I'm coming home with your girl. Don't leave your girl around me. True player for real. Excellent for real. That's how I felt. It's like, I'm not leaving them here. I'm not taking those unanswered. They're coming home. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm super excited for 2021. Don't forget to leave those comments below. Click the link in my description box to order my book. And I'll see you all in the next upload.